Hey guys, it's your girl Linnee and welcome to Inner Beauty Out. And as you can tell, today we are going to go and dip back into some makeup, into some color. I am super excited to bring this look to you. I actually came across it on Pinterest and I was super inspired and wanted to recreate it essentially. And so I do hope that you enjoy this. I'm not going to sit here and ramble too long, but the main objective was that I wanted to recreate this look using a lot of affordable products. I didn't reach for a lot of my high-end things as far as even powders. I went for maybe just a few that needed to like bring the look together, like my Smashbox highlighter, but other than that, I use a lot of Iman products. I use these Profusion palettes. If you don't know about these, I may have two videos in regards to these particular palettes, but these are really great because they're super affordable. They are amazing because they even show you on the back as far as like how to use each of the palettes. What's so awesome about these are how pigmented they are, and you'll never believe for how much. They're like each less than $15, and essentially you could probably find them less than $10 depending on where you are purchasing them from. And so they have so many more. I was sent a few, but I picked up a couple more from when they had like the holiday sales, and they were like dirt cheap. And so they sell them, to my understanding, on Target. You can also find them online at their website and get your hands on these. I am not paid to talk to you about this. I do not make a profit. I don't have a code with them or anything of that sort. But I just wanted to share these with you because I know that people are always often looking for affordable products that work. And especially if you're just starting off in makeup, you don't really want to invest a whole bunch of money in a palette that you know you're only going to use once or you don't know what to do with. So I just wanted to share this with you because this is a great find and you won't regret it. So without further ado, I do hope that you enjoy this video and I'll see you in a bit.
Uh.